Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Hot, very hot. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, this one.
It's very hot.
Aye.
It's very hot.
It is warm, yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, mate.
But I think our summer is over though.
Almost.
Used to be a cooking truck. They changed it from the second one. Oh, he's just like all
Love it.
It's war, isn't it?
Sorry, mate. المشاهدون الكرام أهلا وسهلا. هلا. هذا مكانه الخمام، هذا مكان يحطونه الأسد. إذا تريد أسد من أفريقيا، هذول الأشخاص يجيبوا لك أسد من أفريقيا. تجي هنا هذا المكان، مكان الهيمة هذا، وتكلمهم اسمك والعنوان حقك، ويأخذوا اسمك وعنوان وتاريخ ميلاد حقك، ويجيبوا لك أسد إلى البيت. أيوة، هذا نظام جديد في بريطانيا، ونحن مرتاحين شديد بهذا الموضوع. Watazamaji wapenzi, hii ni hema hapa, wamekaa watu wanataka, kama wanataka simba, wanataka haina, unakwenda hapa kutia jina, unatoa jina yako na address na date of birth yako, na anakuletea haina ama lion kwa nyumbani kwako. Hii ni new system imeanza UK. Lazima upige line hapa, uandikishe jina lako, watakupatia lion, unataka baby lion, baby hyena, giraffe, anything, watakuletea mpaka nyumbani. You have to register here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a place where you can go and register in Manchester here to apply for a baby lion, for a baby hyena, a giraffe, a baby giraffe, for whatever wild animal you want. and they'll arrange to bring it to you to your address. So they'll take your name, your address, your date of birth, and then they'll bring it to you. This is a new system in the UK. Is that here? Al Mushahideen, very, very nice. You can see here, all right? This is the car for the jungle, you see? It's a very nice. Hello, you're right. Yeah, just Africa News. El Baji Minjila. Is saying that you're gonna apply for something. Yeah, you register your name, you give your details, and then they're gonna arrange to bring you a baby lion in your home. You get a wild animal as a pet to your home.
Why?
You register here.
No, that's not it.
It's not about.
No.
Somebody told me that to come register your name here.
No.
You give your details, and they bring you a baby lion to your home,
No, this is
a baby hyena.
no. And also, that is definitely not legal because you should not have wild animals.
I had somebody told me it's a new system in the UK they start.
No.
It's a baby lion.
This has nothing to do with that. We're a clothing brand.
Oh, I saw the wildlife. They say this is for the wildlife.
No. This has nothing to do with it.
So no baby lion, a baby hyena
No, this is clothing brand for clothes.
for clothes.
Leggings,
Oh, somebody told me this is a.
No.
I came to register my name to get a baby lion for my home.
No.
For my no?
Nope.
Are you sure?
1,000%. I work for the brand, so
Oh, so this one is not for the jungle.
no,
No.
it has nothing to do with the jungle or lion.
All right. Okay, I was very excited. I was coming to register my name here to get a baby lion.
I think somebody's messing with you because that is
It's over there. It's over there.
that's not possible.
All right.
That doesn't exist in UK.
Okay. I'm sorry about that. Misunderstanding. Yeah.
Just wanted to ask.
Yeah.
Clear it out. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a joke, guys. It's a prank. I'm pranking you guys.
I had a feeling.
I'm sorry, guys. It's just a prank, yeah?
Okay.
Making stuff up, sorry.
Have a